Hello, it looks like markets are currently standing near their 2025 records as they heat up and as we mark the approximately the second half of 2025. And if we're going to assess the euro dollar or the US dollar index charts, they're currently standing right near their 2025 extremes for the euro. That's near the 115.70, slightly below the 115.70 mark. And if you look at the euro from the multi-time frame perspective, it is still holding firmly above the borders of a declining parallel channel that has been intact since the highs of 2008, which might be positioning the euro for possible long-term bullish comeback against the US dollar index. And the clean hold possibly above the 116 psychological mark can possibly extend those gains back towards highs last seen in 2021. And that would be possibly near the 120 and the 124 marks. From the downside, if you do manage to have another pullback for the euro against the US dollar, we might be aligning back with the border of that uh, primary and declining channels. So we might be aligning back with the 114, the 113.20, and possibly back in extreme cases back near the 110.80 level, which might be the turning point between either reverting that whole analysis towards a bearish dominance or keeping a possible bullish forecast alive on the horizon. Now, with respect to the British pound, looking at it from a monthly time frame perspective, it is also still holding firmly above the borderline of a declining consolidation since the highs of 2008, which is also positioning the British pound for a long-term bullish positioning against the US dollar index as its currency stand at these critical levels. Now, it's currently challenging the 136 resistance, which aligns with the trend line that connects the consecutive higher highs between 2023 and 2024, and we need a clean hold above the 136 mark to be able to extend further gains, also possibly aligning the pair towards 2021 highs. So we'll be talking about the 140 mark and possibly higher towards the 143 and the 147 in extreme cases and long-term cases as well. Now, from the downside, if you do manage to have a potential pullback as well, key levels I'm eyeing are the 134.50 level, which is back which aligns with the highs of 2024 and further down towards the 131.40 level as well before extending further deeper pullback risks, aligning back with the borders of that declining consolidation, which can be possibly pretty deep back towards the 130 and the 129 levels.